Welcome to Motorcycles UK, and today I'd like to show you a short video on this absolutely beautiful Harley-Davidson Road King Special. Here we have a Harley-Davidson Flhxrs Road King Special. This is a 2017 bike on a 17 plate with just 9,826 miles, 2 owners from new and a full service history. This bike is in excellent condition and is kitted to stage 1 level with the Vance Hines Raider exhausts and the Screamin Eagle heavy breather air filter, as you can see there. You also get the detachable panniers, the backrest and rack. There's the wiring and bracket for a Garmin Sat Nav, although the nav isn't included. Your keyless ignition, obviously, on a Harley-Davidson of this age. The Road King Special, obviously a lot of black on this bike where there would normally be chrome, and I think it looks absolutely stunning for it. The olive gold paintwork, you may not be able to pick that out on the video, but it has got a green and gold kind of fleck in it, and it just looks absolutely stunning. You really need to see this bike to appreciate it. It really is a lovely bike. As I said, full history, no corrosion or damage anywhere on this motorcycle. It is in beautiful condition. And if you're looking at doing some touring on a cruiser style bike, then this could be the bike for you. Loads of capacity in the luggage. Got the running boards there as well for the rider, foot pegs for the passenger. All the engine absolutely crispy mint, as my business partner would say. And this bike is absolutely stunning. If you're looking for a Harley-Davidson Road King, then I would suggest this could very much be the bike for you. Obviously the Harley-Davidson alarm Immobiliser fitted as standard as well, and just a beautiful, beautiful machine. This being a stage 1 kitted Harley-Davidson, it obviously sounds fantastic. So let's fire this one up and give it a listen. Outstanding. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this absolutely stunning Road King Special, then please do get in touch, either via phone or via the website. We'll be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, then please do like, share, subscribe and comment on our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.